When teams need to be deployed on-site across multiple countries, hiring without compliant local infrastructure leads to delays, fragmented payroll, immigration, and work authorization complexity, plus serious tax and legal exposure. Deel ends this friction with a specialized employer of record solution that provides the entity and payroll infrastructure to hire your on-site and field staff directly, quickly and compliantly. While Deel manages statutory benefits and local compliance in the background, you stay in control of your daily operations. In just a few clicks, you can approve it all: shift-based overtime, bonuses, and expenses. Everything is automatically reconciled into one unified payroll run, ensuring your on-site and field teams are paid accurately, on time, and in their local currency. Stop managing your global teams in a silo. Scale your on-site and field presence at a fraction of the cost and effort. Get started with Deel today.